Okay, so that's just a quick video about how you install a water barrel like this one. And you see this water barrel I have here, you can actually flip that lid here over so it would be closed, or what I do, you could actually use it to plant flowers. So one thing you have to do, you have to cut a hole in your downsprout here and then connect it to the water barrel, and you also have to cut a hole in your water barrel. So these water barrels actually always come with a kit like this, which allows you to make these holes. For instance, you see here I could connect another one. Then what I showed you, this part here, it's actually looks like this from the outside, and that's how it would look from the inside. So it would collect the water here, and if that overflows and you have too much water, the water actually would go down here and all the way here in case your barrel is full. It also comes with this connector hose here, which you see it's pretty flexible. And then it also comes with a ceiling like this one. So this ceiling is actually here, so it would go there, and then usually I deinstall it or disattach it. Oh, you see I need to actually fix that. And anyways, you see the water running here now, and that's actually used for winter. When you disconnect it, you put this one here, and then it actually seals that, because during winter you don't want to use them. Then it also comes with something like this, where you can actually connect the water hose, and that's actually, you seal it by this. So you see that one, you pop it in there and then you screw that in. And then it also comes with a set of faucets. I have another one here. They also have a ceiling which you put in there. It's more sealing like this one. You put it in there and then you screw the faucet in like this one, and then you see you can actually just get the water out. What I did, I just took a container like this one to water the flowers. So you just cut off the top of it, and then you can actually water your flowers. So that's pretty handy, and that's actually all you need. So it comes with the drill bits, and also these circular round things to drill the hole. It comes with all the connectors, and the one I have, it's actually called EarthMinded RainStation 45, so that stands for the gallons. And that's pretty nice because you can plant flowers there. And I actually have another one here, and I just planted the flowers, so that's pretty nice. And I also give you a link to a video which I did before where I didn't plant the flowers, so you see how that actually looks like when it's empty. But that's actually the way these water barrels work. So really you just have to cut a hole in here, and then that's all to it. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I often have like a flooding at this part here, because that's the lowest part of the house. So what I just did, I bought a connector like this one and an extension hose, and now I can actually guide the water wherever I want to. And to install this, it takes only a few seconds, maybe 2 minutes, and you can get that at any hardware store. And I use this once these water barrels are actually full, so that works perfectly, and I have the same system here.